This is Face It, the 2-in-1 zero-effort cleaner and sterilizer for makeup brushes and sponges. That damages your brushes, rips your sponges, can't remove all stains, wastes water, and will take a while. It's time to switch to the fast, effective, and convenient option that cleans not one, but both of your makeup tools. Face It deep cleans and kills 99% of germs in just minutes. Cleaning your sponges is easy. Load sponges, add antibacterial cleanser, add water, press start, then let Face It do the rest. In just 5 minutes, clean, sterilized sponges ready to use. Face It cleans your makeup brushes too. Swap the lid with a brush holder. Insert brushes, add antibacterial cleanser, adjust brushes to fit, add water, press start, and Face It does the rest. In just 3 minutes, you have clean, sterilized brushes. The secret's in the gentle combing that removes stains from your brush hairs without damaging them, and the gentle scrubbing that removes all shades of makeup stains from sponges without tearing the delicate surface. And while Face It takes care of that brush and sponge cleaning chore, spend your time doing things you really enjoy. You have the power to make Face It 2-in-1 a reality by pledging to our campaign today. Thank you.